Hi everyone, today we will find out the complete family tree of The Lion King, from the popular The Lion King franchise, produced by Walt Disney Pictures. Askari was a male lion who was the leader of the first Lion Guard. He was the second-born son of the Lion King and Queen of the Pride Lands of his time. Askari's older siblings inevitably became ruler of Pride Rock, and their generations of descendants eventually led the rise of Simba's great-grandfather Mahatu. Mahatu's son, Ahadi, he was the king of the Pride Lands in A Tale of Two Brothers. He was well known for his bravery, he solved numerous crises, and faced many dangers. His mate, Uru, she was the second named queen of the Pride Lands that is mentioned in The Lion King, 6 New Adventures. Together they had 2 sons. Older son Mufasa, he was the king of the Pride Lands. He showed respect for all the creatures, even those who are perceived as lower than himself. In the midst of his reign, Mufasa was killed by his envious younger brother, Scar, in an effort to steal the throne. Despite his death, Mufasa endures in the memories of his loved ones. Mufasa's mate, Sarabi, she is a lioness who used to be the queen of the Pride Lands. After her mate's death and son's supposed death, Sarabi remained strong, standing up against the tyrant King Scar. Their son Simba, he was destined to rule the Pride Lands as king. When Mufasa was murdered by his treacherous brother, Scar, Simba was exiled from the Pride Lands after his uncle blamed him for his father's death. Simba's mate Nala, she is the lifelong best friend of Simba. When the kingdom is taken over by Scar and his hyena henchmen, Nala rebels against their reign by assisting Simba in reclaiming the throne. Nala's father was mentioned in The Lion Guard, and her mother, Sarafina. Simba and Nala, together they have 2 children, daughter Kira and son Kion. Kihara inevitably became queen of the Pride Lands. She would go on to befriend and marry a troubled lion named Kovu, who was in fact the chosen heir to Scar's empire and was the son of Zira, the former leader of Scar's loyal lionesses. In addition, Kovu also had a brother named Nuka. He was born at some point during Scar's reign as king of the Pride Lands, sometime in between the events of The Lion King and The Lion King 2, Simba's pride, and sister Vitani. She is the middle child of Zira, and is the current leader of the Lion Guard. Kion's mate Rani was introduced in Season 3 of The Lion Guard. Starting in the episode The Tree of Life, Rani serves as the main deuteragonist of the series. She is the leader of the Night Pride and eventually ascends the throne, becoming queen of the Tree of Life with Kion. Her father Sahasi, he was introduced in Season 3 of The Lion Guard. He makes his debut and only appearance in the episode The Tree of Life. He is a member of the Night Pride who lives on in spirit following his death, alongside his mate Ananda. Her younger brother Balio, who appears in the 3rd season of The Lion Guard, he lives at the Tree of Life and is a member of the Night Pride. Sahasi's mother Jana, she was an elderly lioness and a character introduced in Season 3 of The Lion Guard. She served as the queen of the Tree of Life until her death due to old age. And Sahasi's younger brother Surak, he is a recurring character in the 3rd season of The Lion Guard. That was all in the Lion King family tree. Thanks for watching. Comment down your opinions. See you in next video. Till then, take care.